I'm going to teach you how to make a really simple and easy cinnamon bun. So I'm going to get started on that. So I have 4 cups of flour.
So while you're doing that, I'm going to mix the eggs.
So I put in 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to put in about a half teaspoon of salt. And I have the fast acting yeast, so this takes half the time. So there's about 2 tablespoons in there. Now we're just going to stir this together, just like so. Now, if you have a stand mixer and you want to do it in the stand mixer, you can, but I kind of like when you can actually get in and feel the dough with your hands, right? So then I'm going to add some clarified butter. So I have probably a 1/4 cup of clarified butter, and that goes. And then some warm water, and this is just tepid water, so it's probably about 90 degrees. And we're going to stir that all in, just like so. And you just start seeing it's just a nice, and you want the dough to be sticky. A lot of people tend to kind of go away from a sticky dough. They make it really too dry, and then it makes the end product too dry. So we're just going to stir this together. And then what we're going to do is we're going to now take it, and then you don't even have to cover it because it's only going to let rise for about an hour. And we're just going to take our spoon out, like so. Put it behind. A nice warm spot in the kitchen is always really good. And with the magic of TV and some timing, we have our dough that's already been done. So then what we're going to do here, this is where you can take the frustrations out at the cottage. Just pound it down. And what you're doing is you're just taking all the air out of your dough. And then you're just going to grab it like this. And then we're just going to give it a quick knead in our hands. We just have some flour. Put our flour, just kind of give our dough just a little bit, flour around. Our rolling pin, and roll it out. Oh, yeah. Now, what I do is kind of like pizza dough, is just kind of move it with your hands like so, roll it around, and now it can be as thick as thin as you like it. We're going to grab some of our clarified butter, and if you don't have clarified butter, you can use some just regular butter and just spread it on. So, all the way around. Then I have some cinnamon. Now, you could put some black currants in, you could put some raisins in. We're just at a cottage that doesn't like raisins, so we're just gonna go plain cinnamon bun. Which all that means is I forgot the raisins at home. And we're going to take our brown sugar. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to take it and we're going to fold it in. So nice and gently. And as you do this, the dough is going to get a little bit longer, as you can see. I'm just going to move this over, sorry, Steve. Nice and tight. You want it really nice and tight because then you're not going to get any air bubbles in it.
And it will rise a bit more too, right?
Exactly.
Once you put it in the oven.
And then we're just going to put it in like so. Oh, they smell good already. Now we're going to let them sit on the counter for about 10 minutes just for the dough to rest after what you've done to it. We're going to take it and we're just going to put it behind us for right now. 5 to 10 minutes, we'll put it in a 350 degree oven. It's going to take about 25 minutes to bake, gently nice and brown. Put those down in front. See how easy they come out? And you just turn it over. It's got all that butter and the cinnamon, and it's not cooperating.